Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting light combat aircraft in the skies right now, the FA-50 Fighting Eagle. A product of South Korea's aerospace ambitions and technological prowess, the FA-50 is not just another jet, it's a symbol of how nations are shifting toward smarter, more cost-effective air power. The FA-50 is a supersonic light fighter developed by Korea Aerospace Industries (KAI) in partnership with Lockheed Martin. It evolved from the T-50 Golden Eagle advanced trainer jet, which itself was South Korea's answer to the need for a homegrown pilot training solution. With enhancements in avionics, radar, weapons systems, and combat capability, the FA-50 is more than just a trainer. It's a fully capable light combat aircraft, designed to perform a range of roles, from air-to-air and air-to-ground combat to close air support and reconnaissance missions. At its core, the FA-50 is powered by the General Electric F404 J102 turbofan engine, allowing it to reach speeds of up to Mach 1.5. That puts it firmly in the supersonic category, giving it an edge in rapid response situations. The aircraft has a range of about 1,850 kilometers and can operate at altitudes above 14,600 meters. Its digital fly-by-wire system ensures superior maneuverability and stability, making it suitable for both seasoned pilots and those transitioning from trainers to full-on combat aircraft. When it comes to avionics and weaponry, the FA-50 doesn't disappoint. It is equipped with modern radar systems such as the LM-2032 mechanically scanned array radar, which allows the jet to detect, track, and engage multiple targets at various distances. More recent upgrades in some variants have started to include AESA radar systems, further boosting its detection capabilities and combat effectiveness. The cockpit features multifunction displays, hands-on throttle and stick controls, and a digital mission computer, giving pilots everything they need to operate effectively in high-pressure scenarios. The FA-50 can carry a wide array of munitions. These include air-to-air missiles like the AIM-9 Sidewinder, air-to-ground missiles, precision-guided bombs, and a 20mm internal cannon for dogfighting or strafing ground targets. It has 7 hardpoints, giving it enough flexibility to adapt its loadout based on mission requirements. For nations looking to modernize their air force without spending billions on top-tier multirole fighters, this level of armament combined with its lower operating costs makes the FA-50 an ideal choice. Another key advantage of the FA-50 is its versatility in deployment. It can operate from shorter runways and is relatively easy to maintain compared to heavier aircraft. Countries like the Philippines, Iraq, Thailand, and Poland have already procured or placed orders for the FA-50, recognizing its potential to boost their aerial capabilities at a fraction of the cost of buying Western 4th or 5th generation fighters. In fact, Poland's recent order for a large fleet of FA-50s shows how NATO countries are also beginning to appreciate the value of a fast, agile, and affordable combat aircraft for regional defense. What makes the FA-50 especially interesting is its role as a stepping stone. It's ideal for nations aiming to gradually build a more advanced air force. Pilots trained on the T-50 can easily transition to the FA-50, maintaining continuity in training and operations. This not only saves time and money but also streamlines logistics and maintenance across fleets. So, whether you're an aviation enthusiast, a defense analyst, or just someone fascinated by cutting-edge fighter jets, the FA-50 Fighting Eagle is a name to watch. It blends speed, firepower, and agility in a package that's surprisingly affordable. Thanks for tuning in today, and if you found this breakdown informative, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into modern military technology.